John Deere LT160 Auto Drive Belt Adjustment. I replaced the belt, but now the tractor moves slow and the drive belt is hot. I think I need to make an adjustment, but not sure how.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
It just happened when I put the new belt on.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is Will be happy to assist you. There is not a belt tensioner for your belt. If your belt is getting hot, it is likely that one of your idler pulleys needs to be replaced. Also, check to make sure your belt is not running outside one of your belt guards. We can continue from here. Thanks again.
Okay, the new belt is very loose. I rechecked the belt routing and all of the pulleys turn freely. My thought is they have me the wrong belt. Or the tensioning spring is bad.
Could be the wrong belt. Is your new belt an OEM John Deere belt?
I bought from the dealer. I took a picture of the nameplate so they would have the correct model.
Most of the time a dealer will provide the correct belt for you. Double check to make sure it is correct. Also, double check your belt routing. Pull up on your brake pedal to see if your belt gets tighter.
I did check the brake and it was at the top of its travel.
Thank you for confirming. Another thing to check is the V inside your pulleys. If your pulleys are worn inside the running surfaces, this can also cause your belt to be loose. Check all of your pulleys, including your transmission pulley, and the pulley that is under your engine. LT160, click here. The link above shows images of the underside of your mower. I do hope all goes well for you.
Finally took the tractor to the dealer. We replaced a tension spring and 3 plastic pulleys. Back to normal now. I had the routing correct.
Awesome. Thank you for letting me know. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.